Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, how are you doing? Today I'm going to talk to you about DAGLA, also known as Itoprod. It's a medication used to treat digestive problems. If you've had discomfort like bloating, nausea, or feeling too full after eating, this video is for you. DAGLA is often prescribed to treat conditions like functional dyspepsia and gastroesophageal reflux. Simply put, if you feel like your digestion isn't working properly, DAGLA could be a big help. But how exactly does it work? DAGLA improves gastrointestinal motility, meaning it helps food move better through your stomach and intestines. It also has antiemetic properties, which means it reduces nausea. Now let's talk about how to take. It's super important to follow your doctor's instructions, but you usually start with a dose of 50 milligrams 3 times a day before meals. The dose you continue taking will depend on how your body reacts to the treatment, so check with your doctor regularly. Like all medications, DAGLA can have side effects. Some of the most common are headaches, diarrhea, and dizziness. If you notice any negative effects, it's really important that you talk to your doctor right away. And remember, never take DAGLA if you are allergic to Itoprod or if you have any contraindications. To sum it up, DAGLA can be a great option to improve your digestive health, but you should always use it under the supervision of a medical professional. Take care and see you in the next video.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.